Hello YouTube, this is Don from DaretoBeCreative, and I want to say hello to all my new subbies and hello to all my besties that continue to follow. And this is a Tuesday morning haul. Sorry about shaking the camera. So let's just jump right in. And this is a paper pad by American Craft. It's Shamil's box of crayons. Can I say box of crayons and the cameras. I own the 6x6 paper pad, but my sister saw this and it's like, let's get that because we both like photography. And the number on that one, and it's double-sided, and you can't go wrong with double-sided. I used to then buy these packs of paper in the past because I was like, what can you do with the same piece of paper? But there's quite a few things you can do with it when you're trying to coordinate something, or you need some extra background paper when you're making an album or something. But you can also use these to make gift bags, treat toppers, anything that you need multiples of. You'll be surprised how many things you can use. You can cut these out and make them as embellishments, but you can do a lot with having multiples of the same papers. Goodie bags, treat toppers. This number is 207-9183 for $2.99. And again, it's the same design. And I just picked up a couple of the chipboard. All the other ones I already had, but they have quite a few, as you know. Pretty much all of Maggie Holmes ones, the balloon confetti, the carousel, the gathering, Chasing Dreams, like the chipboards are out. So this was the one I didn't have. So this is Bloom. So I just got two of the Bloom. And they're $2.99, 206-8416, and this is a 42-piece adhesive sticker, chipboard stickers. So you can see that. Nice. And then they also have the Good Vibes. And that one by Crate Paper is 206-8462. So you have that paper. My little llama right there. Or was that an alpaca? I don't know. They're both the same to me. Anyway, so then also with the Jane Hatfield, the pretty paper that she has, the patio paper. This is sticker set to that for $1.99, 209-3180. And they also have the ephemera and paper pads, which I already have those. I know a lot of stores got a lot more Maggie Holmes than we did, and I'm sure this week with the rest of the sale we will have more Maggie Holmes. But this is the only things that I picked up right now. Was which I thought was a little pricey for this little stamp set at $2.99. Stamp sets, two different ones, and there's some other ones, but these are the only two that I saw out. And this one is, let's see, 206-8474, and it is called something mini heart. Well, American Crafts, I know that, but it says heart. So, and then this one is different number, 206-8469, and it just says moments. So you can see that one. I know it's the one with the ballerina, and it's another one out. So Good Vibes. Some more paper ephemera and stuff for Good Vibes. So they had the little Polaroids with the pom-poms around. And these came in and out a couple times at Tuesday morning, and it's 206-8467. But in case you're looking for some, these also would go well with Maggie Holmes. And this one is the Good Vibes, and I just showed you the chipboard sticker piece. And this is 206-8466, so you get larger pieces and smaller pieces, great for layering, embellishments, and things like that. And that's kind of what they look like, and that lighting is not the best, but hopefully you can see. So I got another Maggie Holmes. I love this giraffe. I mean, how could you not? It's transparent, but it's beautiful. This goes with the confetti paper line, and I was good, only got one, but I might have to go get another one. 206-8447. They only had a couple of these. I only got one, but usually my store gets a ton of multiples of everything. And I'll just check another store. I did get this one for my sister, and this is the Bo Bunny stamp, 209-3051. These are wonderful background stamps. They also add depth and depth to a project. If you background stamp and then ghost stamp with it as well. Sounded like I know something about mixed media. 2093051. It's because my sister's trying to teach me. Anyway, so Sheena Crafter's Companion. This was a little nicer sticker set for $2.99. It's a 10-piece, and it says congrats, happy birthday. It's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different ones, but it says congrats, Minnie, happy birthday. Let the good times roll. You did it. It's your to you both. It's time to celebrate. May the adventure continue. So different ones, and they had, I know my store had this one. It's called Celebrations 2089669, and the only ones I saw from at the other stores were this floral one right here. So that might be out. And I was there when they brought the baskets in, so for a couple stores, and that's the only ones we gotten so far. It's this one and the floral piece. So I don't know if we get the other ones or not. And then they had tons of Bo Bunny paper and stuff, and I did show that on Instagram, DaretoBeCreative won a lot of the Bo Bunny paper pads and ephemera. So this one, I already have this paper collection, but I didn't have this ephemera piece. So this is 2057410, and this is a jungle set, and it looks like that. So I was happy to get that to match that paper pad. And Yvette on the Instagram, the Cards Girls AZ Arizona, she said that they had the ephemera packs, and I didn't see it. They didn't have the first week, but a couple days later they came out. They put the ephemera stuff to go out with this one. But I did see this paper right here. It's called Land of One. It's so pretty. I just love the blue and the red together. It's just scrumptious. Of course, you know I love the red and the black. I mean, come on now. This is 2093104. If you know me, you know I love that. So, but I just love that blue and that red combination too. And I did a flip through on Instagram, but and those teacups and those roses, pretty, 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 pretty. Didn't need it, but I did get it. And the ephemera is 2093071, and there's all the beautiful pieces of ephemera. And then this one is 2093070. 2093070 for $2.99. And then the layered chipboard to go with it, and $1.99, and it's 2093069. So thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing, and I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye bye.